Everyone, get ready for the biggest gossip on Olympus. Today we're going to gossip about Zeus, the king of the Greek gods, who is apparently also the king of trouble. Seriously, this guy never stops. Is he an epic leader or just a relentless player? Let's find out. In Greek mythology, Zeus is the king of Olympus, god of the sky, thunder, and justice. He ruled all with a lightning bolt in his hand and an ego bigger than the Parthenon. Educational fact: the ancient Greeks used these myths to explain natural phenomena, such as thunder being a manifestation of Zeus's anger, and also to reflect on power and order in the universe. Zeus overthrew his father, Cronus, in the Titanomachy, an epic war that established the Olympian gods as the new rulers, symbolizing the transition from chaos to order in Greek cosmogony. Let's move on to the first scandal, Zeus and Leda. He sees this mortal and thinks, I'll turn into a swan to win her over. A swan, folks. And the worst part, it worked. From this adventure, Helen was born, who later caused the Trojan War. Then there's poor Io, whom Zeus turned into a cow to hide from Hera, his wife. Hera, of course, didn't fall for it and sent a gadfly to torment the poor cow. Seriously, Hera is the queen of revenge. And it doesn't stop there. Zeus has already turned Europa into a bull, Danae into a golden shower, and even Ganymede into an eagle. Man, this guy needed a divine Tinder, right? Educational fact: these myths highlight how the Greeks viewed the gods as anthropomorphic beings, with human flaws like jealousy and lust, serving to teach moral lessons about the abuse of power and the consequences of divine actions in the mortal world. So, what did you think of Zeus? Hero or the biggest troublemaker on Olympus? Tell us in the comments which god you want us to cover next. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next mythological gossip.